Is your kitchen cluttered with overflowing drawers, crammed cabinets, and no space to breathe? Don't worry, I've got you. Today, I'll show you the best kitchen organization products on Amazon that will totally transform even the smallest kitchen into a clean, stress-free space. And make sure you watch until the very end because the last product is a total game changer you won't want to miss. All the product buy links are in the description, so let's jump straight in. Number 8. Do your cabinets look like a disaster zone? Bottles tipping over, cleaning sprays buried in the back, and you bent down on your knees every time you need something. That daily mess isn't just annoying, it wastes time, creates stress, and makes your home feel constantly disorganized. That's why the metal under sink 2-tier cabinet organizer is such a game changer. With a larger frame, almost 16 inches deep and up to 17 inches high, it's built to handle even the tallest bottles and bulkiest supplies. And unlike flimsy racks, this one is made of reinforced heavy-duty steel with a solid 1-inch frame, holding up to 50 pounds without wobbling. The best part, its smooth pull-out sliding shelves. No more rummaging or bending, just pull, grab what you need and go. With 5 adjustable height settings, this organizer adapts to kitchens, bathrooms, closets, any cabinet in your home. Number 7. Tired of opening your pantry only to see half-empty cereal boxes, flour bags spilling, or snacks going stale before you can enjoy them? That clutter doesn't just look bad, it wastes space, wastes food, and ends up wasting your money. That's why the Topmert 24-piece airtight food storage container set is a total kitchen game changer. With 4 different sizes, tall, large, medium, and small, you'll have the perfect fit for everything from spaghetti and oats to coffee, sugar and nuts. Each container is made from durable BPA-free plastic, so it's safe, long-lasting, and crystal clear, letting you see exactly what's inside. The airtight side-locking lids with silicone seals keep food fresher for longer. Plus, they all share the same lid design, making them easy to wash and reuse. And thanks to their stackable shape, you'll maximize every inch of cabinet or pantry space. As a bonus, you'll also get 24 reusable labels, so your pantry stays organized and stylish. Number 6. Every time you open your bathroom closet or kitchen cabinet, do you feel frustrated digging through piles of clutter just to find one small item? That wasted time and mess can make your whole home feel disorganized and stressful. That's why the Topmert 4-pack large stackable storage drawers is such a smart investment. These acrylic organizers are crystal clear, so you can instantly see what's inside, no more rummaging. The smooth pull-out drawers glide easily on built-in rails, giving you quick access to everything from cosmetics and medicine to snacks, baby bottles, and cleaning supplies. Each bin is sturdy, holding up to 15 pounds, and the clever groove design allows you to stack them securely, making the most of your cabinet or under-sink space. Anti-slip silicone pads keep them stable so they won't shift or slide around. Whether it's the pantry, bathroom, or kitchen, these multi-purpose drawers bring order and calm to any space. Number 5. Frustrated with cluttered cabinets where spices, medicine, or makeup bottles get lost in the back, forcing you to dig every time you cook or get ready? That daily hassle wastes time, creates stress, and makes even simple tasks harder. The solution is the Lamu 2-tier Lazy Susan turntable organizer. Compact at just 9.25 inches, it doubles your storage with 2 smooth rotating tiers, perfect for narrow cabinets, countertops, or vanities. The upgraded metal rods add stability, so even heavy jars stay secure, while the 360 degrees rotation gives instant access from any angle. A raised edge keeps items from tipping, and the clear design blends seamlessly anywhere. Easy to assemble, easy to clean, endlessly useful, this organizer transforms chaos into calm. Don't wait, claim yours now before they're gone. Number 4. Are your kitchen drawers a cluttered mess? Forks, spoons, and utensils all jumbled together, so you're always digging to find what you need. That frustration steals your time and makes cooking feel chaotic. Enter the Smurly Bamboo Silverware Drawer Organizer, a sleek 8-compartment tray that expands to fit almost any drawer size. With deep reinforced slots, it neatly stores silverware, utensils, and even larger kitchen tools, while keeping everything right at your fingertips. Made from sustainable bamboo, it's eco-friendly, durable, and naturally blends with any kitchen style. Non-slip feet keep it in place, while rounded corners make it super easy to clean. Stop wasting time in messy drawers. Upgrade to this drawer organizer today and enjoy a perfectly tidy, stress-free kitchen before it sells out. Number 3. Do your eggs roll around in flimsy cartons, break under pressure from heavy groceries, or get lost in fridge clutter? That mess isn't just annoying, it wastes money every time an egg cracks. The BPA-free refrigerator egg organizer bin is the perfect fix. With space for 18 eggs, each one has its own secure slot, keeping them safe and organized. The clear design makes it easy to check how many you have left, while the handy pull-out handle gives quick access anytime. Its smart drawer-style design makes it stackable, so you save space without crushing a single egg. Durable and easy to clean, this organizer beats flimsy cartons every day. Don't let broken eggs keep costing you. Transform your fridge today before this must-have sells out. Number 2. Tired of mismatched spice jars, flimsy labels, and a cluttered spice cabinet that makes cooking frustrating? That chaos not only looks messy, but also leaves spices losing freshness and flavor. The 24-pack square spice jars with bamboo lids is the perfect solution for an organized modern kitchen. Each airtight glass jar preserves flavor by keeping out air and moisture, while the sleek bamboo lid adds a natural, elegant touch. With 240 waterproof labels, shaker inserts, and even a stainless steel funnel included, you'll have every detail covered for a polished pantry setup. These compact 4-ounce jars save space while keeping your spices uniform, fresh, and beautifully displayed. Say goodbye to messy cabinets, upgrade your kitchen today. Grab your set before they sell out. Number 1. Are you frustrated by those awkward gaps in your home, like the tight space between the washer and dryer, beside the fridge, or next to the bathroom vanity? They usually go to waste, or worse, they collect clutter that makes your home feel cramped and messy. The rolling slim 4-tier storage cart was designed to turn those useless spaces into smart functional storage. With its slim frame, it glides smoothly into any tight spot, instantly creating room for everything from laundry detergent and bleach to toiletries, cleaning supplies, spices, or even office items. The bottom shelf offers extra height for large bottles, and the handy hanging basket makes pouring detergent neat and mess-free. Built from rust-resistant alloy steel with a breathable mesh design, it's durable for high-moisture spaces like bathrooms, laundry rooms, and thanks to its 4 smooth rolling wheels and convenient handle, you can pull it out and access everything in seconds. Stop letting valuable space go to waste. Organize smarter today before this must-have cart sells out. And there you have it, the best kitchen organization products on Amazon that can turn even the smallest, most cluttered kitchen into a space you actually love using. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more reviews, tips, and buying guides.